guys. Right. You might have seen my previous video. And you can tell you could barely hear me. I don't know why, but yeah, you couldn't really hear me. So, sorry about that. Yeah, that's okay. So, what's that? Nothing all that, I guess. So, playtime. Developer update the gameplay of this computer. My voice really was weird. Get into the game. I was actually only planning. I went the wrong way. I only finished yesterday. My friend, Callie D. She has no circles up to her. So that's really good of her, cause I enjoy the videos. And she doesn't have that much subscribers, so we'll sub to her. Don't sub there, I'm gonna be so angry. So you guys sub. So, we're making our way on ice. We're walking fast, but then we slip and break our leg. Oh. This is the bit I hate. If you hear anything in the background, that's because my brother's watching Simpsons and Charles Pennsylvania is on. Because I don't know why about. My brother doesn't even watch it. He just plays. He ever plays Fortnite or watches YouTube. Yeah. Hey! You probably heard him there. Shut up. I'm like, no. What? Video. Hey, you took my chart. Yeah, everyone took my chart. My chart. Kid hobby. What? My pillow? That's your pillow? I'm coming for you. Tonight you got YouTube videos. Riley, I'm trying to do YouTube videos. Ah! Oh my! Thank you for making me that. Yeah, sorry about my brother. Shut up. He's being kind of mean. It's actually not. Right? Everyone's going to hear it and then they're going to be like, that's not a fake video. So, yep. Now you just wait till this is on YouTube. Here's what I'm just talking about, okay? And here you play Fortnite. What I do? You have before? I before? Yeah, I'm just trying to say how to use it because, well, oh. I won't let me stand up. good singing. Mommy, let me hear. Whoa, take my hand. Hold me, leave me here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, Sophie, leave me here. So that's my singing boy. So yeah. Yeah, she said hi. So, right, so my fear. Summer, if you're watching this, you're going to see my singing voice today. It was saying what to say. No, you should never treat a girl like that. Got a good alibi, and her bag's so packed. Every girl is capable, oh mother, if you heard her. Watch out, you don't push me any further. You're not the only one walking around with a loaded gun. This little girl is capable, oh mother, if you heard her. So that's my singing voice. Anyone who's watching this, you're going to see my singing voice, but no one can, because I sing really badly. And don't even try to say someone. Yeah, just don't say that I sound good, because I don't, and I know it. I'm not stupid. Well, yeah. Go on. I've bunk bed, so I'm going to show you how to get the halo now. It's called Dark and Light Halo, like the dome. If you want to know how to get the halo, this has what YouTubers done and got theirs. What do you want from me? Okay, join me. Stay where you are and I'll join. Okay, my microphone's just on. So, tell them it's going to be like 2 minutes. It's going to be 2 minutes. Like the hard that. Like 500 minutes. So, you need to get the tree halo, you need to be patient. You need to have patience. It will take a long time to get it, and it's all about luck. If you achieve it, then you'll win. It's all the way worth the wait, and it actually is worth the wait. So all people who got this, all of this is from the people who got the halo. I combined all of their stories together so it'll be easier. Right, so we're going to go see this light halo. To get the light halo, we heard the Lily story, and Lily was like, earlier Billy took my diamonds, and I was about to put them in the fountain. Daniel handed 5 diamonds, she'll give you the halo. What? Oh no, my brother's on. So yeah, no Summer, her YouTube channel is called Callie the Unicorn Girl. So yeah. Then you should have this kind of score. You look at the fountain and try to pull some diamonds. After you toss the 5 diamonds, and then after we thrown some diamonds, then you wait for 5 minutes, but nothing happens. You start crying when a light fire sits by your side and asks, and then you'll receive the halo. To get the dark wall. So there's a lot of stories where you can get the dark halo. So in this story, you can actually get this halo by the Lily story. So there, 100 diamonds, and then you will choose your hand, and she said you want the back, and then she'll say that you're evil and you'll choose the badge, including the dark halo. And then to get the dark halo, you should encounter the fire and ice fire. You need to toss 5 diamonds to win your hat. Yep. You didn't. And then you need to toss 5 diamonds and then you'll hand you the dark halo. Oh. 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 Another kind of story to get the dark halo is the dark fairy dialogue. You need to toss 50 diamonds and the dark fairy will say that I grant you with the special gift and it's the halo. Show off the turtle story and you should practically the coffee one. You should give 100 diamonds and then you'll try to touch it and then suddenly the turtle turns to somebody and he will she give you the light yellow so what? I'm smaller than you, that doesn't make sense. I meant to be taller than you, I'm older. And bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Right, what do you want to say before I end the YouTube video? Hey, you're pretty cool, man. Where?